Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the science behind NAD+ and its connection to aging. NAD+, or also known as Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, is a crucial molecule found in every cell of our body. It plays a key role in energy production, DNA repair, and maintaining overall cell health. As we age, our NAD levels naturally declines, and this decline is closely linked to many of the processes we associate with aging. Let's start by understanding what happens when NAD level drops. NAD+ is essential for converting nutrient into energy through the process called cellular respiration, meaning it helps convert food into energy in a simple term. It also supports repair mechanism that fixes damaged DNA and regulates cellular processes. When NAD level decreases, our cells become less efficient at these functions, leading to signs of aging such as decreased energy, slower metabolism, and impaired cellular repair. Research has shown that this decline in NAD+ can contribute to various age-related conditions. For example, lower NAD+ levels are associated with reduced mitochondrial function, which impact our energy level and overall vitality. Additionally, impaired DNA repair due to decreased NAD+ can lead to cellular damage and increased risk of chronic diseases. Interestingly, studies suggest that boosting NAD+ level might help mitigate some of these aging efforts. It may help improving energy, metabolism, enhancing cellular repair, and potentially extending lifespan. In summary, NAD plays a vital role in maintaining cellular health and energy production. As we age, NAD level declines. Our body faces increased challenges in managing cellular repair and energy needs. So boosting NAD+ might offer potential benefit to support healthy aging. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and leave any question in the comment section.